Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to today's video. I have another challenge. If you couldn't tell from the title of this video, we're going to do the opposite hand makeup challenge. So I will be putting all my makeup on today using my non-dominant hand, which for me is my left hand. And one thing you guys didn't know about me, I can do absolutely nothing with my left hand. So this should be interesting. I did try and look through a lot of YouTube videos this morning to find out who created the challenge. I could not figure it out. Every single one kept saying they saw other YouTubers doing it. So I can only tell you which video inspired me to do that. And that is, I'm sorry if I mispronounce her name, Slava's makeup challenge. Her video had me cracking up so hard. And I will link her video down in the description box below so you guys can check it out. But anyways, you guys, if you haven't already, please make sure you go down and you subscribe and turn the notification bell on. That way you can be notified whenever I come out with a new video. You can't miss it. It is right next to that subscribe button, the big red box down below. Alright, you guys, let's jump straight into this. First off, sorry you guys, I am still trying to drink my coffee. I am so tired and delirious this morning, maybe. Alright, we're gonna do my brows. Most of this is gonna be my normal applying makeup the way I normally do, just with the other hand. And I am changing things up a little bit on this video, and I will explain to it as I get there. Ooh, I was about to switch hands. Can't do that. This just feels wrong in like so many ways. And I didn't say, but this is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Auburn that I am using. And I'm just kind of framing my brows a bit, and then I'm going to go in with my dip brow. This is turning into a disaster already. Start holding it like this. Okay, now I'm just going in with my Anastasia dip brow. You guys, I legit am actually trying to make this look good. I am not trying to screw up on purpose. Alright, so this one doesn't look that bad, actually. This one looks like Cousin It. But we are going to move on and start carving out the brows just because this one really needs it. Needs a little extra love today. Okay, I should probably be putting this on this hand. And this is just my Tarte Shape Tape that I'm going to carve my brows out with. And just keep your fingers and toes and your eyes and everything crossed for my brow. Okay, there's like nothing left on my brush, so I'm not concerned about that. So I'm gonna try and correct that. Ooh, Cousin It, you look like you just got a haircut. Ooh, you guys, I think I saved it. I think I saved it. I'm so excited because now it doesn't look as bad. Okay, now I'm just going to take this Shape Tape and we are going to prime the eyes with this. Looks like it takes forever just to close it with the other hand. And then we are going to set that with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I just got myself in the eye. Okay. Since my sight is officially back. Whew, I'm going to go blind by the time this challenge is over, and I haven't even started on eyeliner. I think that this is going to show exactly how this video is going to go. Okay. Now the hard part, we are going to start working on eyes, and I'm not going to be simple about this. I'm going to go with my Morphe 25B Bronze Mocha palette, and we are going to attempt a halo eye. Attempt. Not necessarily get it right, but we are going to attempt it for sure. And I'm going to, so weird showing it, I'm going to go in with that color. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and we'll put that directly on top. And I feel like I need a mirror closer to my face to see what the heck I'm doing again. And now I'm going to go in with this shade and kind of direct that more directly into my crease. And then last crease shade, I'm going to go into this dark color right there. And we're going to put that, keep that on the outer corner. Does that look even? I think that's even. Okay, now I am just taking a small shadow brush and not knock everything on my table over. And we're going to start creating the halo eye with this purple right here. It's really hard to show you guys the palette with the other hand. Like I hope that all the other ones were in view. I'm regretting this entire challenge already. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to use my finger because I know I get good pigment payoff when I use my finger for that. And I hope it's going to work with my other hands. It's kind of scary that this actually looks as good as I feel like it does. Okay, let's try and blend out harsh lines because I can see where that dark purple was and I don't want the harsh lines there. I can't even grab the right brush with this hand. Okay. I'm actually kind of proud of myself a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my NYX retractable liner and we're going to smoke this out into a wing like I always do. So let's try not to poke out an eye. And here's where I go really wrong, I'm sure. And I'm going to smudge that out with my Morphe M408 smudger brush. My arm is killing me. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. We're still going to go over it with a black eyeshadow at the end. You guys, I'm legit resting my arm on top of this one. It's getting sore. You guys, I'm kind of totally impressed with myself. I did not think I would be able to be doing this good, and it's not looking as bad as I was expecting it to be. Still not perfect, but it's not as bad as I was expecting. Ooh, we need to set that shadow. And I'm going in with my Urban Decay and Crystalline palette, just the black shadow 13th floor to set that with, because you guys know I'm all about the 13th floor shadow. That is the best black eyeshadow I think I've ever found so far. Seriously, Urban Decay, at least make a single pot of that exact color, 13th floor. Same formula, same everything. Like, it is just awesome. And I'm going in with a small angled liner brush. This is a Makeup Essentials brush. And we're going to pack some of that black eyeshadow right on top. Oh, I hope this is not going to mess us all up. It's hard to follow the same line over again. Alright, so now we are going to waterline my upper lash line. And now we're going to curl my top lashes and hope and pray to God that I do not rip them out. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I've used this once so far, and I'm still trying to feel out how much I actually like it. Have you guys tried this? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment box down below. And now I'm just going to grabbing a makeup remover wipe, and we are just going to clean up the sides and sharpen up that wing a little bit more. So the eyes, what is that? So the eyes are done for now. We're going to be moving on to the foundation and all of that. So I'm going to be putting on my primer. And I'm just using my First Aid Beauty, the Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. It's the one I always show you guys, but that little bottle I had ran out, and Sephora gave me some free samples. So that's what this is that First Aid Beauty primer that I always used. And normally I put primer on with both hands, but I am not using my right hand for any of this. This is all my left hand. Okay, and now I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Soft Ivory. And we're just going to like put this on our face. I feel like that's way too much. And this is where I've actually changed things up recently, and I haven't shown in any other videos that I've started doing this, but I'm going to keep doing it because it's been working really well for my skin. Normally I use my blender to blend all of this in, but I've had issues with my nose not keeping makeup on for a long time, and it turns out the sponge was not pushing it into the skin enough that I needed, and it was making it look blotchy, so I ended up buying Morphe. This is the Deluxe Buffer Brush, the M444, and I've been using this, and I have not had issues with that since, so I'm going to keep on using this. And now I'm going to be taking my LA Girl. This is the Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. And we are going to conceal the under eyes. I'm not doing my nose because too much product makes my nose worse. And that's another trick that I have been doing lately also, was not putting the concealer on my nose because I'm going to highlight at the end anyways. And this one I do use the blender for, pushing that into the skin and blending that out. Okay, and then we're going to set that, and I'm going to use that same powder I had earlier and set the base. Okay, so we are all set, and I'm going to go ahead and bronze now, and I'm just using my little sample of my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm going to take my big fan brush, and we're going to do a light contour on the cheeks just to give my cheeks a little definition, and then we're going to do a slight contour on my nose as well. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I have a mirror right next to it as well that I'm trying to keep out of shot. And I'm looking in that. That is much easier. I'm not even going to lie. Okay. And now I'm just taking a bigger, fluffier brush. And we're going to just bronze around the outside. And warm my face back up a bit. And we're going to go in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. And we're just going to kind of rosy up my cheeks. Okay, so I'm going to do my bottom lashes now. I'm going to use this purple shade on the bottom along with this Morphe smudger brush I was using earlier. And I'm just going to put that on my bottom lash line. Okay, now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild highlighting powder and Precious Petals, and we are going to highlight the inner corners and under the brow bone and the rest of my face with this. I'm holding it really close so I can actually control where I'm going. I'm going to use my finger for the rest, just to make me really glowy. And we are going to use the Maybelline Color Sensational Precision Lip Liner in the color Nude, and we're going to outline the lips, hopefully. And now I'm going to be using the Lorac Alter Ego Lipstick in the shade Minimalist, and we're going to put that on the lips. Ah, I hit my tooth. Finally, last, we're going to just set our face with the Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And I'm just going to fan. Alright, you guys, and this is the finished look. I'm actually super impressed with myself. I didn't think it was going to come out this good. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than I thought I would be able to do. And the fact that I always consider my left arm more of a decoration than doing anything useful shows me that it actually can do some stuff. So I kind of, it was kind of an interesting challenge. You learn a little bit something about yourself when you do this. This eyebrow started looking like Cousin Ed, but we were able to clean him up and give him a haircut, make him look a little bit more normal. And then when I cleaned up the liner on this side, I kind of messed up the wing a little bit. Now it's a little bit shorter and it's not as straight and sharp as this one is. So, you know, it's not perfect, but it's definitely better than I ever thought I would be able to do. Like, I would be okay leaving the house and going to work like this, like no problem. Like, it doesn't look that bad. But yeah, so I urge you guys to take this challenge, learn a little bit something about yourself, and it definitely makes your arm sore after a while if it's not used to doing this, and it's definitely sore. But I'm super happy. Like, I didn't think this was gonna come out that good, and like I said, I did try to take this seriously and have fun with you guys at the same time. But yeah, so that's going to be it on this video. If you guys liked it, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe while you're down there and turn the notification bell on. It is free for your use, so turn the notification bell on, be part of my makeup family, and that way you can be notified whenever I come out with a new video. And if there's anything that you guys want me to try out in the future, any videos that you guys would like to see, please use your voices below and comment. Otherwise, I don't know that you guys are going to be wanting to see it. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.